Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little finger puppet monkey. So to make it, you need a piece of paper to draw, a sketch pen. You need a brown one for the monkey. So to draw the monkey, you first need to draw an oval kind of thing like this. Then you need to draw its ears. So one, you join it, another one, join it, and there. Then the eyes and the top of the head, the nostrils, the smile. Color that. Now you need to complete the smile. So we're going to draw his tongue sticking out. There. Now you need to color it with a brown color pencil. Just color it lightly. There, so the monkey is colored, and now you need to cut it out. So you cut it out. So once you're done cutting out the monkey's face, you need to draw its tail. There. So for that, you need to take a piece of paper, draw a rectangular box. This will make it easier to stick the tail on, and then you draw your tail. And then color it. Once you've colored it in, you need to cut it out. Now as you can see, I've drawn the tail like this here, and over here it's a little more curved. You can draw it however you want. So now cut it out. So once you've cut out your tail and you've got the face, now it's time to make this part. So you take a piece of paper and roll it around till you get it perfectly how much you want it. So I wanted this tight, so here. Then you take some glue stick and stick it. So there. So there, I've stuck that. Now I want to color this part. So for that, just press it against the table and then you color it. So there, I've colored it, and now just do that again, and then once you stick your monkey's face on, it will look like that. So now I'm sticking it. And then if it's too big, you can just press it like this. And then you can maybe stick it or make it smaller. But so you get it like that. There. And now it's time to stick the tail on. See, it's much easier to stick because of that. So there you are. That's how easy it is to to make your own little cute finger puppet monkeys. See?